How to link Instagram to Discord. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up Instagram on a device. Now tap on profile at the bottom right corner. Now next to edit profile, simply tap on share profile. Now tap on copy link. Now go back to the home screen and open up Discord on a device. Now at the bottom right corner, tap on a profile. Then go to settings at the top right corner. Now simply tap on connections. Now click on add at the top right corner. Now find domain. Now once you find it, simply tap on it. Now paste the link here and tap on next. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.